Hello folks. So in this video we're going to be trying to solve LeetCode 1484 problem and it's the group sold products. By the date it's a SQL problem, part of the SQL 50 problems. I've solved some of them and let's go ahead with solving this. So this is about activities and looks like talks about selling a product on a particular date. There's no primary key. So they want us to write a solution to find for each date the number of different products sold and their names. So given a date, for example, 30th May 2020, 30th May 2020, 30th May 2020, there are three products. They want the products to be lexicographically sorted and a table to be sorted by the selling date. So like this and BHP, so BP and one. So the idea is first we'll group by the date, of course, and order by the date. And after we group by the date, we need to actually concatenate. We need to do a count. And for the product, we need to concatenate all the strings. So I'm just looking at concatenation operations. Looks like concat might come in from. Um, let's see. So asking character concat, yeah. It takes expression of all arguments. Null arguments are ignored. Concat will give you ABCD. Okay. Concat with separator. Okay. So we need a separator actually. Something like this. It counts. So that's the first argument with separators. So you put the separator and then you have ABC. So yep. So I think this is what we'll be using. So um, okay. Let's see if we can use this. So let's just say select, and we have the cell date, and we have the count star as num sold, and we have the products. This will be actually concat, um, comma products as products. Let me see if we can actually do this. Um, String concatenation aggregate in PostgreSQL. It's called string aggregate is a function that concatenates instead of places a separator between them. It does not add the separator at the end of the string. So it looks like it's aggregate functions. It's not concat. So it's um, so return type array of argument type array aggregate and string aggregate text comma text. So expression and then delimit also. Um, so we have I think string aggregate is what we're looking at, and I'm not sure how it works. So let's see. Just say expression, maybe product or star. I think you'll have to say product because star would mean just counting the row or whatever, something like that. But I think product and then with a comma would make sense. Let's see if that makes sense. Number of input rows. Rows produced, the value of expression is not known. Interesting. Input values concatenated to a separated value. Okay. So yeah, I mean here there won't be nulls, so we are just counting the number of rows. We'll just say okay, concat is wrong for now, but we'll just from activities group by product, no sorry, sell date, and I think That's it. And then order by sell date. I think ascendance. That's default. No, yes is the right answer. When you run the code for this one, I think the answer should be this. Let's see if that is the answer. It should be string content products does not exist. Where? Oh, products, sorry, not products. Product. Oh, it actually told me perhaps you meant something here. So activities.product must appear in the group by clause or be used in a as a okay. So products, actually I wanted to see that error just to see how it looks like. Perhaps you meant to reference the column product, yes. Okay. Interesting. So it's saying it must appear in the group by clause or be used in an aggregate function. So concat is not actually an aggregate function. String aggregate is. So let's use it now. I think the delimiter should come later, right? Okay. String aggregate. String aggregate expression in the delimiter. So it's products first. Output is comma basketball comma t-shirt. It missed headphone for some reason. Pencil. Ideally, I think it should be product and then comma. Let me try to do that. I think it put comma as expression and then okay. Let me just do this. Wrong answer. Oh yeah, we should do it. So it's pencil Bible. So they want it lexicographically or let me see if I can get that right. Um, so string aggregate. Lexicographically. No. Um, let me see. Maybe we can do one thing. We can probably. It's giving headphone first, right? So it's giving headphone. Messing around t-shirts. If we want this ordered in a lexicographical way and then ordered by um, can you give multiple order by and do that? And use that from I want select cell date comma product from activities order by cell date and then product. Can I do that? Order by in PostgreSQL. So order by ascending, another sort expression ascending. So order by cell date ascending, and then this should be ascending too. I think group by here we need order by again that's better. Order by. And can I run it now? It should be basketball headphone and t-shirt. And so we got two masks for some reason instead of one. Interesting. Hmm. Yeah, I can just do order by product now. It's still two masks. I wonder why. Let's just take this out and let me actually just try this and run this to see what it says. Oh yeah, there are two masks actually, but it should do a distinct. Okay, okay, okay. Okay, so there are two masks. We need a. Is a group by cell date. Hmm, interesting. If we actually do, we actually just have activities here. You notice that it's not in the order, but mask appears or mask just appears twice, and headphone comes earlier. You want mask to appear just once. So you want it to show this, but you don't want it to show like this. Interesting. Registration should be solid. Let's typographically. Oh, interesting. It says there's only one mask. Actually, there should be two masks. Number so interesting. Let's fix one mask. So the soul item is nice. We just return it. Basically, each row of this table contains outline and a variable value. There is no primary key for the array. It may contain duplicates. Okay, so looks like we should consider this as a duplicate, as mask. Where it is, we start with this duplicate. We should then first remove the values as distinct and give it. So we should probably find a distinct value. Order by product assembly, sell date descent, and we want distinct products. Let's see if we can get this done. Oops, I have two values here. Error attorneys. I'll you have mask. Okay, so it has become distinct now. Distinct of sell date comma product and 30 30 30 1 2. This is what we're looking for. This also say this can be removed.